today's party theme, I'll be showing you how I put together a Dora the Explorer party. I'll start with the banner. I use colorful cardstock to make it. I cut out flags and letters from white cardstock. I attached the letters and used string to hang it. The treat bags were purchased in bundles of 3, and I cut out faces and added them to the front of the bag using Mod Podge. Water bottle labels were made using Photoshop and added to small bottles. This image was cut out and added to the wall. I made this sign for the front door. These thank you tags went on the bags. I made this sign for the coloring station, and these were the coloring sheets. These were the food tents for the buffet table. I folded colorful cardstock in half and added the food item to the front. I made these labels in Photoshop and added them to individual boxes of Tic Tacs as a favor. This sign was made for the bubble stand. I made these vines using a green tablecloth and brown craft paper. I crumpled the paper into long pieces and wrapped the tablecloth around them. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.